Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. It's Tom. It's a sunny day in Atlanta, and we're just about halfway through the legislative session today. We, of course, have our amended 21 budget done, which includes a $1,000 supplement for our employees making under $80,000 a year or at or under that figure. And so we're excited about that. We also, of course, are working on the 22 budget, and we certainly have a number of child welfare related bills going through the system. We really want to encourage y'all to, if you haven't done so, to sign up for the legislative updates from both the Barton Center at Emory Law School and also Voices for Georgia's Children. They do a great job of monitoring legislation, and of course, we're down there a lot as well. Of course, as part of the 21 budget, amended 21 budget, thanks to the work of the governor and the General Assembly, we have a $1,000 supplement for those employees who are, as I said, making $80,000 or under, and who are on the payroll as of February 15th, and then who remain on the payroll as of March 15th. We anticipate that those checks will go out around March 31st. Don't hold me specifically to that, but if you have any questions, you can let us know, and we'll be happy to answer any specific ones you may have. I want to give a couple of shout outs. Our C3 coordinators, of course, are very important. They help us maintain our quality in child welfare. And we just had a ceremony recently in which Adrienne Reeves in Region 1 received the Veteran C3 Coordinator of the Year award, and Maria Taylor in Region 10 received the Rookie C3 Coordinator of the Year award. So I want to congratulate them and thank you for your good work, and let's make sure we're keeping that quality up. Remember, safety and quality are really the heart of what we do to protect children and serve families. We also, of course, want to remember that we still are in this time of COVID. We continue to need to wash our hands and wear masks and do the social distancing thing. But the governor has also recently opened up 4 sites in partnership with our Georgia Emergency Management Agency. And those were opened on February 22nd, that's yesterday. They're going to have I guess when they get fully ramped up, they'll have the capacity to serve about 22,000 folks each week with vaccinations. So we're hoping that if you are able to get a vaccine, that you please get it. The sooner we get everybody vaccinated, the sooner we can get back to normal life and to being together and to being having those friendly conversations and hang out together and have coffee and eat lunch and work together, which is I know a lot of us miss that. So to learn more about that, go to myvaccinegeorgia.com or of course the public health website dph.georgia.gov. Still in National Parent Leadership Month, I certainly want to remind folks that we continue to need folks to serve on our very valuable and effective Parent Advisory Council that ensures that we have the voice of parents and how we serve families. It's dfacs.georgia.gov and prevention initiatives, and I think Ramirez will put that website up here. We also have our friends at Together Georgia, the Provider Association, are also having their annual Georgia Conference on Children and Families this week. That's, of course, virtual. I was able to participate a little bit virtually myself. I really want to encourage y'all, if you can log on to that, if you're going to participate, please take this opportunity to learn as much as you can, not only from in your area, but we have the opportunity through the conference to really learn about what is going on in other areas and how all of our partners, whether providers, group homes, foster parents, therapists, the court system, CASAs, how all of these organizations work together with us to really create the child welfare system. So I really want to encourage y'all to log on and do that. In OFI, we're continuing to work on the 15% increase that's coming as part of the SNAP through the most recent COVID relief bill. We're working on putting those in, and those benefits, the additional 15% benefits for SNAP, will be retroactive to January. We're also, of course, working with our partners at DECAL, DOE, and the Georgia Health Policy Center at Georgia State to make sure that we can do the PEBT program this year for children who, and really even young children in child care or in school, who should have been getting the free and reduced lunch, but were not able to, perhaps because their schools have not been in or have been shut down for part of the time. So we're working on that. February PSNAP was again approved, will continue to be approved as long as we have this public health emergency, and that will be released really later this week, tomorrow through Saturday, depending on the client's case number. So let's see. Oh yeah, we also have healthcare.gov for folks who are using the Affordable Care Act. The president has kind of reopened eligibility for that. So there is a time period from February 15th to May 15th that folks can sign up for that. We're, of course, anticipating that that'll probably increase the number of applications we receive. And so we're going to have lots more work to do, but I want to thank y'all because your timeliness and accuracy, and y'all are doing a great job in eligibility. Just keep that up. Finally, as y'all know, I've been trying to highlight some I guess, materials or books and such that we can learn more during this Black History Month. Don't have a book for you today, but I did last night watch the first installment of Henry Louis Gates Jr.'s really documentary about the Black church in America. Really 400 years of history of how the Black church really was really the center of support and life for so many African Americans during the hardest times of slavery, during the hard times of Jim Crow, how it became really the central point, the central, I guess, center of the community, especially as we got into the civil rights movement, and how really the Black church has done so much to move the Black community in America forward and to serve as a center. So really want to encourage you to watch that. I think it's free. It's on PBS, but I know that I was able to watch it on PBS videos last night, and we'll probably finish watching it tonight. So if you have any thoughts, comments, please get them to me. And if you have anything I need to be doing differently, y'all let me know. And otherwise, we'll see you next week. Thanks, man.